Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have seen how to import a module into another file, that is in another Python file. Okay, so that was one of the way to import a statement. Now, for importing a module, we have another statement called as from import statement. Previous one was import statement. Now it's from import statement. So we have to use from keyword followed by import statement, name of module followed by name of module. So syntax for this from import statement is from keyword followed by module name. Module name can be anything. Then import name 1, name 2, name 3. Here names can be any of the file function name. What exactly what it is, we will see in practical demonstration. So before that, just see what is from import statement. Why do we need this from import? So in previously what we have seen, that is importing a module. That means we have imported the whole module into another file. That means we have given access to the file, right? But instead of that, suppose if we give access for the function only, then our other code will be safe, right? So importing specific module, whichever we mention, that only gets accessed by using this import statement. So importing whole module, instead of that, Python provides flexibility to import only specific attribute of a module. वो module means वो code का हम लोग कुछ part, कुछ specific attribute we can give. So this can be done by using from import statement. Okay. Syntax for this is from keyword, module name, import, and name. Name one can be a specific attribute of particular module. So see the example. Here it is. First file is calculation.py, which consists of several functions. One is summation, another multiplication, and one is divide. Okay. So in each function, the logic is written for particular function. So for here it is summation, so written a into b, a plus b. For multiplication it is a into b. For divide it is a slash b. Suppose now this is a calculation.py, and this is one file, and in another file we have to import this calculation module. Okay, from this calculation we can only give access for the multiplication or for the divide or for the summation. So how this can be possible? So in another file, that is, suppose the file is main.py, suppose if we need to import only summation, okay, we need to give only access for the summation, not for this multiplication and divide. So how we can write? For this we have to write from keyword followed by module name. So module name, that means previous file name is calculation.py, so here it is calculation, then followed by import keyword and followed by name of a attribute of a particular module. So ये calculation module का I need to give access for this summation attribute only. So that's why import summation we have to write. So it will import only summation from the calculation.py. So access कहाँ पे देगा? क्या import होगा? सिर्फ summation का code, not multiplication and divide, because we have not written. If you want to write, you can give here comma and you can mention multiplication or divide also. So when the values are taken from the user, enter the first number, enter second number, and the summation gets stored in a variable sum is stored in the summation function. So when the function gets called, here it's summation, so the call goes to this calculation.py summation and it returns SB. So sum is equal to whatever values which are provided by user. So depends on that, addition gets performed. So what will be the output? Enter a user has enter user ने enter किया है first number 10, user ने enter किया है second number 20. So what will be the output is output will be 30. So let's try this code in our compiler. For this I am just copy pasting this code. Copy the code and paste it in text editor. So the code is now added. So file is calculation.py. Save it in particular folder. So I am saving it down is calculation.py. Okay, so we require one more file, that is in py, where the actual module importing is in this main.py. So control V, when we set it has a main. Main dot py. Okay, save. Yes, code gets set. Now when we run it, which file we will run? We will run the main file, that is main.py. So for this we have to write python space main dot py. When we enter non-ASCII characters, but it gives loading. Okay, line number 5. I'm just removing this comments part. Okay, let's try for once again. Okay, so it asks us for the first name. So first name, it is 10, second number is 20. See what output as 30, because what we have mentioned over here is summation. It will go to the summation and it will return us addition of two numbers. So if we want summation as well as divide or multiplication, so I am here writing multiplication. I am just copying this file, comma this multiplication. Okay, and here we need to add print statement. Multiplication is, okay, so what it can be, multiplication can be, now here we have to call the function name is multiplication, and in variables are a comma MB values will be provided by user. Okay, so running, and we can try this code. Enter the first number as 20, second number as 100, 10. Sorry, so submission what we got is addition is 30 and multiplication is 20 into 10, that is 200. So this is how we can import a specific attribute of a module. Here summation multiplication gets added but not divide part. Okay, so divide part, suppose if you need to give access, particular access from the module, then we can make use of this from import statement. That is very easy to import by using simply comma. By say we can use different module attributes in one file. Okay, so this is how we can import from import statements. I hope everyone is cleared with this example. This is very easy to import. So importing, instead of importing whole module into the namespace,